What's going on, everybody? Zeekman here. I am in New Orleans, Louisiana. We are going to be taking a walk. We are here on North Rampart Street. We're going to take a left right here. This is, I think, Dumain Street. But this street cuts all the way across the French Quarter. I had just gotten here literally maybe 15 minutes ago. Couldn't check in, dropped my bags off, and I decided right away we're gonna start exploring. So here we are in New Orleans, Louisiana, where here is Louis Armstrong Park right here, and then this goes all the way down also, like this is like the edge of the French Quarter, and then we're gonna take a left here to explore. We're gonna walk literally all the way across to the river here on Dumain Street. So it's about, I don't know, 9 in the morning, so it's gonna be a little maybe light on the action, but that's all right. We'll pick up the action later this afternoon, and we'll go across Bourbon Street. We'll do a whole bunch of stuff for you guys. So let's take a walk all the way across the French Quarter. We're gonna end up near the river and near like the French Market and Cafe du Monde and a couple other famous places up that way. Like I said, I just got here and we're going right at it. So this is what I love about, the last time I was here was 2007, and it was right after Hurricane Katrina. So a lot of the everything was closed or boarded up. So this is my first time back, and can't wait to see the city when it's alive, you know. So yeah, let's take a walk. But you love the old, it's like Spanish architecture. A little overcast. It's probably about 70 degrees out. See, these are the gems right here, like these little grocery deli sandwiches, po' boys. These are the places you want to stop in to get some food. I think I'm like on the other side. It looks like there's no parking on that side. It's a little more open. Yeah, this is much better. Look at these old trees and the balconies, and the old wind shutters. Just so classic. It's a really cool city. Yeah, that's one thing, like with America or United States, you go to all these different cities and each one has its own individual culture. You know, like here it's Cajun, Creole, Southern cooking, food, partying, but the history of New Orleans it's French, it's Spanish, it's got a whole bunch of different influences, and that's what's really cool. That's what's awesome about it here. It's a gumbo, so to speak, of people. Delivering coffee. Dumain Street here in New Orleans. We're gonna walk straight across all the way to the river. Like those old flame lanterns, that's pretty cool. I had a pair of sunglasses, they were in my bag and they got cracked. So I have to buy a pair of sunglasses now while I'm here. That's alright though. We'll find a cheap pair. I'm gonna move over into the street for a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't seem too busy, obviously. Hamburgers, world's best. World's best hamburgers. We are gonna go to a hamburger place this afternoon. It's down that way a little bit. Check out that little car. I just love these lamps. They're so cool. They're awesome. Oh no, New Orleans Historic Voodoo Museum. Maybe we'll check that out over the course of the next few days. Like I said, it's early. It's 9 a.m. So not a lot of people out. People are looking to get breakfast. But it doesn't take away from the classic beauty of New Orleans. This is Royal Street. This is a famous street. This has a lot of Royal Street has a lot of art demonstrations. It has a lot of small little cafes and restaurants. We're coming up on Bourbon Street, I believe, but Royal Street looks. This is definitely one we're gonna make a walking video of Royal Street, definitely. So. So we'll do a walking video of this whole entire we'll start down there and then we'll go all the way down. We'll get that done during the week. It's a cool street. Oh no, sidewalk closed. You can see the end of the street. The river's up there. A lot of antique shops. Another Voodoo Authentica Cultural Center and Collection. Charles Street. Or Chartres Street in Dumain. So again, you know, just look at the architecture of everything. So cool. You see like these horse carriages everywhere also. You know, people like those. Let's go down there. See a lot of We're gonna walk back to Dumain, but I wanted to get the horse and carriage here. I wanted you guys to see this. I'm sure we're gonna see a million of them, but doesn't looks more like a donkey than a horse, but pretty cool. Royal carriages. Imagine having an apartment right there. That'd be pretty cool, pretty busy and loud also, but Gary's Corner. Almost Jazz Fest. Jazz Fest is next weekend. I'm kind of on like an in-between weekend. There was a festival, the French Quarter Festival last weekend, and the Jazz Fest is next weekend. And I'm here like right in the middle, but that's okay. Not as crowded. And we can, you know, maybe even get to talk to some local people while we're here over the course of the next 4 days. So that would be awesome. New Orleans Visitor Center. I should probably stop in there. I think that's where they hooked me up.
I don't know who Jay is.
Alright, so we made it all the way across. And now we're gonna go to the... We made it all the way across. Now we're gonna go to famous Cafe du Monde. We're getting some beignets and coffees. We're gonna make video there. And that will be on Zeekman Eats. Of course, as you can see, my new shirts, they came in. And we're gonna go over here. And hopefully the line's not too long. I've heard it can be up to 2 hours long, and if that's the case, then we'll have to figure something out. There it is, the original. Company store. I think so too. I got you many here. right. All right, so we made it all the way across the French Quarter, and we're gonna go across the street, get some beignets and coffee. You gotta do it while you're here. I don't think you can say you've been to New Orleans if you haven't gone there. That video will be on Zeekman Eats, but anyway, thanks for watching. This is just a little walkthrough of, you know, the French Quarter. We're gonna do many walkthroughs, and we're gonna try to show you a lot. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. See this on, like, share, subscribe, Zeekman Eats, Zeekman Travels. I'll see you guys in more New Orleans adventures.